Z. I'm gonna be washing it, do a little change, clean out the air filter, just check some things. This thing is so dirty. It is bad. This thing has never been this dirty before. But get it all clean. Somewhat looking nice. Hit a deer. Stupid deer. Got buck teeth. But got 2 buckets, gotta fill it with soap. Got the garden in there. Chemical guys. Look at this. Look how bad this is. Ugh. It's horrible. Turn that on. Always gotta get the door jams. If you ain't using your door jams, man, what are you doing? Everyone else do this after they're done. Dump it. I got the black line drying towel. Dude, this thing works great. Look at this. That dude. All the water in here. It's dry. Literally dry my car in just a few minutes. So I definitely say if you don't have one, definitely go get one. It's like $20-something. Great. Got it all vacuumed. Spraying down the inside. Chemical guys, total interior. So that smells pretty good. Just get all that dust off. Wash my mini car. I lost this piece. I took it out and I put it in the back and I can't find it. It's in there somewhere. Try to do this and then wash the windows. That should be it for washing the car, and then I can start the oil change. I got the car up in the air. I'm gonna go ahead, start the oil change. Yeah, whatever. Just throw down some cardboard. Up the mess. Get it done. Right, already got the bolt loose. It is 14 mil. These are pretty easy. Just right there, drain plug, filter. So, I already broke it loose. Now, perfect. Now just let it drain and then undo the filter. You're doing an oil change, always have everything ready. I always got paper towels ready, cleaner, trash can there for the towels, cardboard down, and then always just, oh shoot, whoops. Okay, don't accidentally do that, but just always be ready, paper towels to wipe up, because this stuff goes everywhere. That's finished up draining. The filter off. Wrench. Oh, make it smaller. Go. That's one-handed. And just turn. Kind of just turn enough so you can get loose enough to where you can turn it by hand. It'll start dripping. Make sure it's there. I do change the oil on this every 3,000 mile. Not every every 3 months. So I believe this oil's only got about 1,800 miles on it, maybe 1,900. But it's been 3 months changing it. You can spin it. Oh, there we go. Alright, new filter. I go with Mobile One. M1 108A. Screw right in. Just put it as tight as you can by hand. When I dropped the old filter, this bolt fell down with it. No clue what it is, where it goes. But random bolts falling down. And get the drain plug. And then just tighten everything down and wipe it all down. For the oil, this is what I go with. I go with Valvoline 530. The high mileage. Sometimes I'll put in the high mileage, sometimes I'll put in the Valvoline Restore and Protect. I just went with this one. These bottles are a little cheaper than the Restore and Protect. He takes 5 quarts, so I go 4 quarts of oil, and then I put in 1 quart of Lucas high mileage oil stabilizer. This stuff is thick. That's high mileage since Lizzie's got over 200K, so stuff is like green slime. The 5th and final quart of oil. Final thing.